Over the years, we have developed our own production technologies, which we have used to set new standards. For example, in cold forming, springs are manufactured according to the specific area of application. Hot forming is a classic method which today we only use for springs with high rod diameters up to 55 millimeters. Springs with a wire diameter of 18 to 32 millimeters are cold formed, according to the same mandrel principle, and then hardened and tempered. We've developed our own CNC-controlled machines for this process. In contrast to coiling stronger springs, smaller wire dimensions are manufactured using a special winding technique. This type of automated machinery is used to produce springs with wire thicknesses of 0.2 to 24 millimeters in diameter, with the highest precision and allowing intricate designs as required for chassis springs. Next, as a rule, comes the process of grinding the spring ends. This must be performed with the utmost accuracy in order to avoid any skewing of the spring ends. The prerequisite: end surfaces that are straight in relation to one another and an accurately centered spring axis. Grinding is a very time-consuming process. In order to save time, large wire diameters are prepared by welding robots. After the grinding process, the sharp burrs are then removed according to your requirements and the edges chamfered.